In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started on Freshbooks, a cloud-based accounting solution that's perfect for managing your small business finances. Whether you're a freelancer or a small business owner, setting up your Freshbooks account correctly can save you lots of time and streamline your operations. Let's dive in. So, right after creating your Freshbooks account, the first thing you want to do is add clients and services. Head over to the Clients section on the platform and click on Add New Client. This is where you'll enter all the essential details: your client's name, their company, email address, and phone number. Having this information at your fingertips makes communication seamless. Next, navigate to the Items and Services section. Here you should add all the items you sell or the services you provide, making sure to include a name and rate for each. This step ensures that your invoicing is both accurate and efficient, helping you avoid any billing confusion later on. Once you've got your clients and services set up, it's time to configure your account and settings. By navigating to Settings, you'll be able to appoint all your key financial details. Start by setting up your base currency, which will make converting and understanding your numbers easier. And don't forget to set your standard billable rate. This is the default rate used for your billing, so be sure it's accurate. A major bonus of Freshbooks is its ability to connect with online payment methods like Stripe or PayPal. Setting up these integrations not only makes it convenient for you, but also enables you to get paid faster, enhancing your cash flow significantly. Now that your account is all set up, you can start creating invoices and managing your projects. On the dashboard, you'll find a Create New button. Use this to generate your first invoice. It's pretty straightforward. Just fill in the client's information, choose the items they're being billed for, and include any other pertinent details before you hit send. Besides always having a professional-looking invoice, you'll appreciate the increased organization in tracking your payments. If your work involves time-based projects, Freshbooks has got you covered. Go to the Projects section and click Create New to set up a project. This is especially useful for time tracking, helping you monitor progress and manage time effectively, which can be a game changer for billing based on hours worked. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the setup process on Freshbooks. With your clients, services, financial settings, invoices, and projects set up, you're all set to take control of your business finances. The system is built to be user-friendly, so it won't be long before you find yourself navigating it with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.